Hello everybody, I'm Oliver from Lux, and today I'm here with Seb, one of our traders who just passed our evaluation stage. Welcome, Seb.
Thank you very much.
How are you today?
Yeah, not too bad, thanks. Nice and sunny here.
First of all, let me say congratulations. Your result was really great. First, to start us off, can you tell me a bit about who you are and how did you get into trading?
Yep, so I'm Seb, I'm 32 years old. I've only really been trading for about 6 or 7 months, but I've been interested in it for quite a long time. And I guess I've always liked the idea of, working from home, having independence, being self-employed, not having to deal with any bureaucracy from bosses and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's how I got started. I did a course called G7FX, and that's how I got my education.
What kind of trader would you say you are?
I guess all of my trades are intraday, so I tend to be holding positions for minutes at a time. It's usually under 20 minutes, but it can be up to a couple of hours.
How would you rate your overall experience so far with Lux trading?
I looked at all the different big prop firms online, and I think what was the best about Lux is that they give you complete freedom with the way that you trade. So you can hold trades overnight, over the weekend. You can trade just about anything that's tradable on MT4 you can trade. So it's as similar as you can possibly get to trading your own money. I think a lot of other firms, they're quite restrictive in their rules. And I think that might be reflective of the fact that they want you to fail the challenge so that they get an income off it. Whereas I think Lux, they're quite strict on the 4% drawdown, but otherwise, you've got complete freedom to trade how you want to. And I think that implies that you want us to succeed as traders.
Well, for us, if the trader succeeds and they make money, we make money. I think it's as simple as that. How do you feel about now moving to a real live account, now trading actual money? Does that change anything for you?
I guess in theory, it should be pretty similar because it's a $15,000 account in stage 1 and stage 2. I guess, my performance is hopefully going to be better because I've been learning throughout the first stage. So I'm just hoping to do more good trades and less bad trades.
Is there something you're gonna change in your trading style, risk management?
Yeah, something that bugged me about the way I traded in the first stage, I guess, is that when I had winning trades, I didn't really think the wins were big enough, as it were. So I think if you've got a lot of conviction in a particular trade, I think you should increase your risk. If the trade is about 50-50, you probably just shouldn't take them at all. So probably increasing the risk on the trades I think are good. That'll probably be what I do different.
What would you say is the most important thing you've learned so far?
I think getting a proper education is the most important thing. So I think if you're shopping online for a trading educator before you get to the prop firm stage, I think you need to sort of seek out professional traders or ex-professional traders, people that have worked for proprietary trading firms, big banks, hedge funds, investment banks. Then the second thing is to practice so much that you sort of incorporate everything that they've taught you until you know that you're profitable. And only then should you really go on to the prop trading challenges, I think.
Is there any last words of advice that you would like to pass on the rest of the traders, maybe people who are considering Lux?
Well, I definitely think Lux is one of the better, if not the best, trading firms out there. I think with the flexibility of the trading rules, I think the really fast scaling plan up to $2.5 million is really good. I think the first scale up is from $150,000 to 500,000, and that's more than tripling your account. Whereas I think a lot of other firms, they increase your funds by about 10% or so. So I think the speed at which you can scale up is really good. But yeah, I guess, just do your homework, make sure you get a proper education, make sure you're profitable on a demo account first.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time. And it's been a real pleasure having you. We'll be happy to see how you do in the advanced stage.
Yep, sounds good. Thank you very much, Oliver, for that.
So I wish you best of luck. And for everyone else, if you have any other questions or you want to know more about the trading program, you can always reach out to info@luxtradingfirm.com, or we have a 24/7 live chat on our website. And with that, I wish everybody a great day.